Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this MGTD finished in Old English white. The car has quite clearly been restored fairly recently. As you can probably see, paint finish is still in the wheel arches. Standard of finish is generally very good. A couple of small marks here and there, but overall presents very well. Attractive sat on its original hubcaps with steel wheels. The weather equipment is all present and correct. It's looking very much like a new hood. The tan finish very much suits the colour of the car. Car performed really well on test drive. No real issues to speak of. Selling this on behalf of one of our customers who has found that he just hasn't had the time to use the car, so he's passing it on to someone else to enjoy. As you can hear, it ticks over nicely. The interior has been retrimmed to a nice standard, again finishing this tan colour. All the instruments appear to be working correctly. Correct period wheel. Good set of tyres all round as well, so one to enjoy. If you've got any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.